channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable sleep mode on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. For Apple desktop, computer, or laptop Mac user, you can deactivate sleep mode without having to use additional application. Sleep mode itself is a feature that is usually embedded in gadgets so that the screen can turn off automatically when not in use for a certain duration. This feature functions to save power consumption for the device battery. However, sleep mode sometimes actually disturb user when working in front of the Mac screen. The reason is setting sleep mode with a duration that's too short will cause the Mac screen to often turn off. So how to turn off this feature? It's so simple. You can just open your system preferences and you can just search on search bar in here. If you have trouble to know, you can just choose on here. So here's you can schedule if your scheduled sleep mode is active. You can just disable by remove the checklist on here. You can apply so the sleep mode automatically will be turned off on your Mac. Or you can also open your display. You can choose on night shift. You have to make sure that this turn off. Can go back. You can also check on your security and privacy here. As you can see, your sleep mode is active. After 5 minutes, your screensaver, your MacBook will be turned sleep. You can just disable by remove the checklist on here. Don't forget to enter your MacBook password. Now you can just click on OK. So simple, right? And you can also open the settings on your notification. On the notification, you also have sleep mode feature. From notification, you can go to focus. You can go to sleep in here. As you can see in here, the sleep mode is active. You can disable by tap on the toggle in here. So your sleep mode will be turned off. So simple, right? So that is how to turn off, how to disable sleep mode on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.